Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can draw a 3-point rectangle in CorelDRAW. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your document, guys, and here on the left sidebar you will see the rectangle tool. So you may click into that small arrow icon in the bottom right of the icon and switch to 3-point rectangle. And then this works the following way, guys. You need to left click into your canvas to set the first point. And then hold your left mouse and build an X or Y axis while holding your left mouse. Then release your left mouse and move your mouse to set the other axis like this, and to that way create a rectangle from 3 points. Release your left click, and that is going to place your rectangle so that you don't have to connect these dots, but you can use this method I just showed you. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.